Morning folks. Vidal is a destination again today. You can see a little chilly down there. Once again the sun is doing its thing. Beautiful rise. Let's hope the fish do their thing today. Okay, we're down to 6 degrees this morning. Bike lock and loaded there. And look at the sunrise. Oh my word. All right, look at this, boys. Yeah, the water looks nice, eh? Let's hope there's no side wash. So I've got Henny and Yanni with me today. Prepping. Water looking quite nice. There's a nice reef out in the middle of the in the channel there, between the white water at the back and the beach. And we'll give it a throw into there and see if we get lucky. The sea is really looking nice today. Nice and warm, temperature's good. Well, only time will tell, guys. I was just saying, I can't believe that you haven't had a pull yet. I think this is a stumpy. So when he gets to the edge, Henny, you just use the wave to pull him over, okay? Fighting properly. How's your drag, eh? You got some drag there. That's it. Yeah, 53 centimeters stumpy. What a beaut. Well done, Henny.
Thank you. Thanks, Jeff. No, thank you to you, eh?
Now the key, guys, when you're doing this is try and get the fish back in the water as soon as possible. Quick photos. Boom.
Thanks, Jeff.
So we have Matt with us today. He's the blogger. Look at him. Here he comes. A little bit, half an hour later, but here he comes with a smile on his face. Yes, Matt, you're a champ, man. Now Johnny's turn. Here we go. One catfish record.
Well, that didn't take long.
Yeah, that was another small.
One of these photos.
It's one of the reasons why I love to use a circle, because you see how they catch the fish, or it's either in the scissor or it'll catch him through the bottom lip or the top lip. Mustard circle is my favorite. So we're back at base. Now Henny coming back, still smiling.
Another superb day.
Hey, you enjoy that?
Absolutely.
Epic.
Absolutely.
Lekker, guys.